Here at installHUB, we provide you with job management software to engage, track and manage customers and jobs from quote to completed installation. We provide a centralised control hub, including cloud-based software for the office, with our mobile apps for field operatives, giving superior office-to-field connectivity. An easy all-in-one solution for optimising business processes and compliance. We assist businesses of all sizes to manage large numbers of leads, expanding and adapting to suit each client's requirements. With installHUB, work smarter. Connect your customers directly to your business with use of our workflow management software, automating compliance and regulation processes, assisting you with data, live statuses, SLAs and KPI documentation, eliminating paperwork and saving time and the environment. Integrated digital payment process, collecting deposits, full balance payments and any variation fees. Utilising card payments and even Klarna, providing the option to your customers to spread costs. Our mobile app makes it easier to capture data out on site in real time, with start to finish job information, capture videos, photographs and signatures. Alongside remote video surveying, saving you unnecessary travel time. Allow us to save you time and money with our installation software. We're here to support you and your business ambitions, offering full system support. Fully replace or integrate installHUB alongside your current software tools. installHUB.com, streamlining your installations.